Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Purnima. I'm an IELTS and PT trainer, and in today's video I'm going to share with you the structure and format of most interesting task of your IELTS writing, that is process chart. And it's my favorite task. So let's get started without wasting that time. Now you can see on the screen the diagrams below show the stages and equipment used in the cement making process and how cement is used to produce concrete for building purposes. जो दोनों डायग्राम्स आपको गिवन है इसमें आपको ये बताया हुआ है कि कौन कौन से हम स्टेजेस और कौन से हम इक्विपमेंट यूज़ करते हैं सीमेंट बनाने में और उस सीमेंट से फिर हम कंक्रीट कैसे बनाते हैं फॉर बिल्डिंग पर्पसेस. एज यू नो दैट इन राइटिंग टास्क 1 वी हैव 2 मिनट्स फॉर प्रिपरेशन. हमें जो है 2 मिनट प्लानिंग के लिए और प्रिपरेशन के लिए यू कैन से हमें मिलते हैं. ठीक है. एंड 16 मिनट वी हैव टू राइट एंड फॉर 2 मिनट्स वी हैव टू डू प्रूफ रीडिंग. सो लुक एट द डायग्राम. फर्स्ट वी विल डू प्लानिंग सीमेंट प्रोडक्शन एंड कंक्रीट प्रोडक्शन. सो इन सीमेंट प्रोडक्शन सबसे पहले हो क्या रहा है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लाइमस्टोन एंड क्ले आर टेकन. लाइमस्टोन और क्ले को लिया हुआ है एंड देन दे पास थ्रू द क्रशर. फिर उनको क्रशर में से पास करते हैं. ठीक है. क्रशर में से पास होने के बाद वी गेट द पाउडर फॉर्म ऑफ क्ले एंड लाइमस्टोन. तो हमें जो लाइमस्टोन और क्ले का जो मिक्सचर है पाउडर फॉर्म में वी विल गेट इट एंड आफ्टर दैट वी विल पास इनटू द मिक्सर एंड मिक्सर से दे विल गो टू द रोटेटिंग हीटर फ्रॉम वेयर the heat is applied from the bottom and then the powder particle are grinded and through the grinder we get the cement and ultimately the cement is packed into the bags and it's ready for the delivery. So this is the thing, this is the planning that we have done for this task. Now come to the concrete production. Now in concrete production there are some percentages of 4 elements are given, that are cement, water, sand and gravel, and they all are mixed into the concrete mixture from which the concrete is formed. Clear? As you can see the percentage of gravel is double as the percentage of sand and the water is 5% less than as the percentage of cement, or cement's percentage is 5% more than. So this is the overview, this is the planning that we have to do before start final writing. Okay, so let's get started. First of all we will start from the introduction. So as you know, in introduction we can write the assigned or illustrated given process charts elucidate, depict, represent, show the information about the manufacturing of cement and concrete, and the procedure is made up of multiple steps. Now the lines which are highlighted with yellow, green and purple, these are the lines which you can use in any process chart. The assigned, the illustrated or given, these are all synonyms, so you can use either one of them. Elucidate, depict, represent and show information about the manufacturing of cement and concrete, and the procedure is made up of multiple steps. If the steps are countable then you can write it as well. The procedure is made up of approximately 7 to 8 steps. Clear? This is our intro and next is our overall or conclusion. In overall we have to just tell the what we have analyzed from the charts. Clear? Overall it can be said that processes are long and all the steps should be followed in the same sequence. If one step is missed the whole production methods will get disturbed, and you can say that each and every component should be taken in sequence and in the definite amount. क्योंकि हमें इसमें ये पता चल रहा है कि सभी जो हमारे सीमेंट वाटर है उनको हमें एक फिक्स प्रोपोर्शन में लेना है और सारे जो डिवाइसेस हैं वो हमें इसके अंदर यूज़ करने हैं, और अगर हम किसी एक इक्विपमेंट का यूज़ नहीं करते तो हमारा प्रोसेस सारा ख़राब हो जाएगा. सो दिस इज़ द स्ट्रक्चर दैट यू कैन रिमेंबर एंड दैट you can write in every overall of your process chart. Clear? So this is our overall and next is BP1. Now to start BP1 we can use, it is crystal clear from the provided figure of cement production, because our first chart is of cement production. So in BP1 we will discuss about the cement production and in BP2 we will talk about the concrete production. It is crystal clear from the provided figure of cement production that now, because these process charts are made up of sequence, stages and steps, so we use the sequence items or sequence terms. For example, Firstly, mixture of clay and limestone are passed to crusher, in which blend of both elements are converted into powder form. दैट वी ऑब्वियसली सी फ्रॉम द डायग्राम कि जो ब्लेंड है हमने क्या करा है, क्ले और लाइमस्टोन का जो ब्लेंड है, जो मिक्सचर है, उसको क्रशर में से पास करा है, जिसमें वो सारे पाउडर फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट हो गए हैं. आफ्टर वर्ड्स टू गेट फाइन पार्टिकल्स, उसके बाद अगर हमें और बारीक पार्टिकल्स चाहिए तो ये जो पाउडर मॉलिक्यूल्स हैं इनको हमने मिक्सर में ट्रांसफ़र कर दिया. सब्सिक्वेंटली, बिकॉज दीज आर द स्टेजेस एंड सीक्वेंस दैट आर फॉलोड इन order. So afterwards, subsequently, these are the linkers, these are the connectors you can use in your process chart. Subsequently, heat is delivered from the bottom of the rotating heater. Heat is applied from the bottom of the rotating heater to these minor particle. Now in the last stage, cement is obtained with the help of grinder and packed into the bags. Clear? Next, BP2. BP2 you can start with by giving a glance at concrete production, because this is the separate process. By giving a glance at concrete production, for making cement, initially small stones are taken in double proportion of sand. अब इसमें क्या हुआ कि small stones हमने लिए हैं, double proportion में लिए हैं of sand, that is noticed at 50% and 25% respectively, along with 10% water, because you know that IELTS writing demands complex sentences. जितने आप complex sentences लिखोगे, your band score will definitely get high. Along with 10% water, that is 5% less than the cement, for which percentile is recorded at 15%. In final step, all these elements are moved to concrete mixer, where all substances are mixed and results in concrete production, or we finally got the concrete. So this is our strategy. This is our strategy of writing process chart, and that's all guys. This is all about the process chart. If you have any query regarding your IELTS and PT exam, you can comment me, you can message me, or you can mail me also. And if you like the video, please share it with your friends and subscribe my channel so that you can prepare your IELTS PT exam while staying at home. Okay, all the best for your exam. Thank you.